we have the infrastructure. Now we want to get our people decent work. We want those factories that are, Djibouti is fighting for the same, Mozambique is fighting for the same, Dar es Salaam is fighting for the same, yeah? Mogadishu is fighting for the same. We want this to come here. But how is it going to come if we don't have the infrastructure to support it? Good people. How is it going to come? Why can't we see that future? Because hata ukikula leo na mtoto wako akose ya kukula kesho, hata wewe ukizeeka nani atakuchunga? Si afadhali sisi tujikakamue sasa, kesho yake tuwe na nchi ambaye we can all be happy with. And that's why I'm saying, let us look at these things in depth. Don't look. Yes, for every step you take, for every leap you make in technology and development, you move from being one thing to another. Now we want our people to be the ones who will be making nguo, hiyo mnamesema textiles, to be making all the different components that will be used in cars, that will be used in other things. That's where we want to take our people. But how do we do it without infrastructure? How do we do it if we are fighting one another? Tuko na barabara mbili tunaweza tupite. Tunaweza tupite ya kila mmoja wetu kujipiga kifua, kusema mimi ndio mwenyewe na mnaona mimi ndio nilitokea. Ama kuna barabara nyingine tunaweza tupite pamoja. Tuseme tuashukuru Mwenyezi Mungu kwa sababu kati ya wale wote wengine sisi ndio amechagua, na sisi ambao amechagua tutafanya nini ndio hawa mamilioni wengine wakumbuke kulikuwa wakati kulikuwa Omar Mwinyi, kulikuwa Twaha, kulikuwa Kingi, kulikuwa Mungaro, kulikuwa Balala, kulikuwa mtoto wa Sharif Nasir, kulikuwa wengine. Ni kwa sababu ya vile vitendo tutafanya. You will never achieve anything if you think you are going to climb the mountain alone. But if we want to walk and work together, there are many things that we shall be able to achieve. The essence of Handshake is not about who shall be where and who shall have what position, who shall do what. But how can we as Kenyans together not live in the past, but learn from it? Not plan for today, but live in it. But plan for our future. Because that is what we can give as a gift to this country. Huh? Why am I saying these stories? I am just showing you what potential exists in this country if only we could just become visionary leaders. All of us together and work together in partnership.